Lovely weather today. Just checked outside and found this package outside the door. I don't know what I've ordered, but let's check it out. Yeah, really wonder what it is. So hard opening with one hand. Okay, so I don't know what this is. So hard opening with one hand. It's really hard. Anyway. Holy shit. I think I canceled this order and asked for a refund, and this order just arrived. The hell? Oh well. So here it is. Yep. That's what I got. And yeah, that's it. So I got my microphone upstand here. Check out my Rode, and yeah, this is my. It's gonna make a lot of noise. This is my Rode NT USB microphone. I just had to check the name again, and yeah, I prefer using this one here, which is my Shure SM57, and with a pop filter. This is really awesome microphone, and yeah, I used both of the stands, and yeah, the thing is. That one needs an interface and a lot of plugins and everything, and I can't handle plugging it, especially when I'm doing voiceovers. That's a lot of things, but the audio is really good with that microphone. One of the best good microphones that I have. Okay, I'm messing up the focus. So yeah, that's it, and yeah, I like it. I don't know what to say. Anything else? Nothing. So see you tomorrow. Maybe see you the next day, or see you whenever. Bye. So this is how it looks when I. Just gonna turn on the lights again. So this is how it looks when I'm wrapping up the things, keeping the wires, and then turning off the lights. A lot of work. Setting it up, clearing it. Yeah.